Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to connect Dochub to Google Drive. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your preferred browser and navigate to google.com. In the search bar that appears, type in Chrome Web Store and press enter. You'll see several results pop up, so go ahead and click on the first result that appears. This will take you directly to the Chrome Web Store, which is where you'll find the extension you need to integrate Dochub with your Google Drive. Once you're inside the Chrome Web Store, direct your attention to the top portion of your screen. You'll notice a search bar positioned there. Click on this search bar and type in Dochub. As soon as you start typing, you'll immediately see a result for Dochub from Gmail. This particular extension is designed to seamlessly add Dochub functionality directly into your Gmail account. And more importantly for this tutorial, it also integrates Dochub into your Google Drive. This integration allows you to edit, sign, and manage PDF documents right from within your Google Drive interface without having to switch between multiple platforms. Go ahead and click on this result. Clicking on it will redirect you to the extension's overview page, where you can learn more about what the extension offers and read user reviews if you'd like. On this page, you'll see a blue button that says Add to Chrome, located near the top of the screen. Click on this button to begin the installation process. A small pop-up window may appear, asking you to confirm the permissions that the extension needs to function properly. Simply click Add Extension to proceed. Now the installation will begin automatically. This process typically takes just a few seconds, so you won't need to wait long. During this time, Chrome is downloading and installing the extension in the background. Once the installation is complete, you'll see a confirmation message, and Dochub will now be successfully added to both your Gmail and your Google Drive. This means you can now access Dochub's features directly from your Drive interface whenever you need to work with PDF documents. And that's it. You've successfully connected Dochub to your Google Drive, making document editing and signing much more convenient. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.